Hey, what's up? Welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today we're going to be cooking something new and different. I'm going to be doing a fish sandwich on the air fryer. Now I love me a crispy fried fish sandwich, but we're not going to be using the deep fried oil. We're going to be putting it in the air fryer. So let's get down into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. So to start off, we're going to make a tartar sauce, a really simple tartar sauce. We're going to take some mayonnaise, pickles, chopped onions, a half a lime, and we're going to just mix all that together, and we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. And go ahead and add a little bit of fresh dill in there also. Gives it a little extra flavor. So to make our sandwiches, we're going to be using the top portions of our pollock. They're a little bit thicker on the top of the fillet, so that's the portion that we're going to be using. So go ahead and cut your fish in half, and you can batter up the bottom portions. I ended up doing that also. But yeah, for the sandwiches, we're going to be using the square portion. Okay, we're going to make a seasoned flour batter. So we got 1 cup of flour here. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. You can use 3 to add a little bit more flavor. We're going to be doing a little over a half of a tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning, and a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Very simple, just go ahead and add all your ingredients into the flour and just go ahead and mix everything up. So to start off, we have our seasoned flour. That's going to be the first batter that we're going to be throwing on the fillets. And we have 1 egg in here, so that way we can give it a nice coating of the egg wash. And then to top it all off, we got some cornmeal. So just go ahead and take your fish fillet, go ahead and drench it in that nicely seasoned flour there. And then dip it in your egg wash, and then go ahead and give it a nice coating of that cornmeal. A little tip here, you want to take your dry hand and sprinkle some of that cornmeal on your fillet. That way it makes it a little bit less of a messy job, because if you were to dip your hand in that cornmeal that's already full of the egg batter and everything, it's just going to be a mess. Go ahead and spray your grate with a little bit of oil. You don't want your fish fillets to get stuck at the bottom. Go ahead and preheat your air fryer at 375 degrees. So now that you have your fish fillets in the air fryer, go ahead and cook that for 15 minutes. At about 6 minutes left on the cook, I went ahead and checked it. I wanted to check the batter to make sure there was a nice golden brown color. It did look a little dry, so what I ended up doing is I added a little bit of oil on each side of the patties. And then I ended up flipping it so that way I can get the other side cooked a little bit more and golden brown color. So once I did that, it crisped up really good. And yeah, I just finished them off and they came out perfect. Now keep in mind, be careful with the batter as you flip it. It can crack or peel off, so just be gentle with it. I did crack that first fillet, but the other 3, they came out fine. So go ahead and give it a flip and then spray with just a little bit of oil and finish off your fillets. Once the 15 minutes are up, you should have a nice golden brown fish fillet. That batter is really crispy and it's got a nice crust to it. As you can see here, it looks just perfect. So go ahead and take them all out and let's assemble the sandwich. Okay, this is as simple as it gets. Just get you a nice beautiful hamburger bun. Lay you down some romaine lettuce on the bottom slice. Take you some Roma tomatoes and go ahead and put them right on top of that lettuce. You're gonna get your fish fillet and then you're gonna top it with that tartar sauce on the top bun. You can add a little extra onto the fish fillet just to give it a little extra flavor. This is really good. You get the mixture of all the different flavors, and as I always say, you get layers of flavor. Get the tartar sauce, the real crispy, crunchy fish fillet, and the crispiness and the freshness from the veggies, and then you got the soft bun. Nothing better than that. Well, that's it for today. I really hope you liked that recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that way you can see all my future videos and catch some crazy related recipes. If you have any questions or anything you want to say about this recipe, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. And since you're down there, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Thank you so much. Y'all be beautiful and take care.